Good day and Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir Hussein Pimeto from HUMS 11 Section 1. Genetic Engineering. Genetic engineering, also called genetic modification or genetic manipulation, is the direct manipulation of an organism's genes using biotechnology. It is a set of technologies used to change the genetic makeup of cells, including the transfers of genes within and across species boundaries to produce improved or novel organisms. New DNA is obtained by either isolation and copying the genetic material or interest using recombinant DNA methods, or by artificially synthesizing the DNA. A construct is usually created and used to insert this DNA into host organism. The first recombinant DNA molecules was made by Paul Berg in 1972 by using DNA from the monkey virus SB40 with the lambda virus, as well as inserting genes. The process can be used to remove or knock out genes. The new DNA can be inserted randomly or target to specific part of genome. An organism that is generated through genetic engineering is considered to be genetically modified GM, and the resulting entity is genetically modified organism. The first GMO was bacterium generated by Herbert Bayer and Stanley Cohen in 1973. Rudolf Janis created the first GM animal when he inserted foreign DNA into a mouse in 1974. The first company to focus on genetic engineering, Genentech, was founded in 1976 and started the production of human proteins. Genetic engineering human insulin was produced in 1978, and insulin-producing bacteria were commercial in 1982. Genetically modified food has been sold since 1974 with the release of the Flavor Saber tomato. The Flavor Saber was engineered to have a longer shelf life, but most current GM crops are modified to increase resistance to insects. Herbicides Gluefish, the first GMO designed as pet, was sold in United States in December 2003. In the 2016, salmon modified with a growth hormone were sold. Genetic engineering has been applied numerous fields including research, medicines, industrial biotechnology, and agriculture. In research, GMOs are used to study gene function and expression through loss of function, gain of function tracking, and expression experiments. By knocking out genes responsible for certain conditions, it is possible to create animal model organisms of human disease, as well as producing hormones, vaccines, and other drugs. Genetic engineering has the potential to cure genetic disease through gene therapy. The same techniques that are used to produce drugs can also have industrial applications such as producing enzymes for laundry detergents, cheeses, and other products. The rise of commercially genetically modified crops has provided economic benefits to farmers in many different countries, but has also the source of most of controversy surrounding the technology. This has present since its early use. The first field trials were destroyed by anti-GM activities. Although there is scientific consensus the currently available food derived from GM crops poses no greater risk to human health than conventional food. GM food safety is a leading concern with critics. Gene flow impact on non-target organism control of the food supply and intellectual property rights have also been raised as potential issues. These concerns have led to the development of regulatory framework which started in 1975. It has led to an international treaty, the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety, that was adopted in 2000. Individual countries have developed their own regulatory system regarding GMO, with the most marked difference occurring between the US and Europe. Genetic modification in crops is not new. Farmers have been modifying the genetic makeup of crops for thousands of years. See how crop domestication and modification develop over time. These are the genetic engineering process.